warm welcome to the program Learn Twi with Opoku. This is going to be a continuation of the lessons on formation of sentences. In the previous episode, we learned that when we say fa, it means to take. Bra means what? To come. So if I tell you fa, that means what? Take. Bra, it means what? Come. However, we also learned that when we combine the two, fa and bra, when we say fa bra, it means to bring or to bring to. To bring or to bring to. That is fa bra. Good. And we also learned that if you are bringing something to a place, then we say fa bra. Fa bra. So for instance, if I want you to bring something here, then I'll say fa bra ha. Fa bra ha, meaning bring it here. However, we said that if you are bringing to a person, we don't say fa bra, but we say fa bre. Fa bre. So if I want you to bring something to me, then I'll say fa bre me. Fa bre me. Bring it to me. Bring it to me. So, fa to take, bra to come. But when we say fa bra, it means to bring to. To bring to or to bring. Good. Today we will be introducing more adjectives. And we will introduce what? That. 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 For instance, if I'm saying the man that came, then what word in Twi would I use to introduce that so-called what? That. In Twi, we introduce that with what? Ah. But take note, we can also introduce that with eno, or ono. However, as time goes on, we will do that. But today, we'll concentrate on to introduce that, who, or whose. So stay tuned as we move along. Well, in the previous episode, we learned to construct simple sentences like bring it. So for instance, if I want to say bring it, I will say fa bra. Fa bra. That is bring it. Bring it. But let's introduce some nouns to it. So this time around, let's say bring orange. Bring orange. Then I will say fa ankaa bra. Fa ankaa bra. You see fa do bra. It means bring. Fa ankaa bra. Well, you could ask me, where should I bring it? Then I will say home. Bring orange home. Then in Twi, I will say fa ankaa bre fie. Fa ankaa bre fie. Fa ankaa bre fie. Bring orange home. Fa ankaa bre fie. Fa ankaa bre fie. Bring orange home. Well, let me introduce the definite article. How do we introduce definite article in Twi? Well, from what we have learned so far, we know we introduce it with what? No. So bring the orange home. How are we going to say that? We say fa ankaa no. As I've told you already, in Twi, the definite article comes after the noun. So no, which is de, comes after ankaa, the noun. Fankaa no bra fie. Fankaa no bra fie. Bring the orange home. Fankaa no bra fie. Good. Let me introduce more adjectives. So this time around, I'm going to say bring ripe orange home. In Twi, I would say Fa ankaa abere. That is right. Abere. Fa ankaa abere brefie. Fa ankaa abere brefie. Okay. I will introduce the definite article in this. In that sense, I will say, bring the ripe orange home. Bring the ripe orange home. Then I will say, fa ankaa abere no. No de. Fa ankaa abere no brefie. Bring the ripe orange home. Fa ankaa abere no brefie. Fa ankaa abere no brefie. Okay, this time around I'm going to introduce that. In that sense, I will say, bring the orange that is ripe home. Bring the orange that is ripe home. In Twi, then I will say, fa ankaa no. That is the orange. Fa ankaa no a. Fa ankaa no a. Here I am using a to represent what? That. Fa ankaa no abere no brefie. Fa ankaa no abere no brefie. Bring the orange that is ripe home. Fa ankaa no abere no brefie. Well, somebody may ask, what is the difference between the no that comes after the ankaa and then the no that comes after the abere? Well, in Twi, we use definite article for almost everything, even for adjectives. So the no that you see after abere is a definite article for abere, ripe. The ripe. The ripe. So, fa ankaa no abere no brefie. Bring the orange that is ripe home. Bring the orange that is ripe home. Very good. Good. If you have been observant, you will realize that in all these situations, you have been asked to bring something to a place, not to what? A person. And remember, I told you initially that when you are bringing something to a person, then we say fabre. So how are you going to construct such a complex sentence using fabre? Check the next video for that. By the way, thank you all to those of you who have subscribed to this channel and helping this channel to reach 1K subscription. Thank you very much. And all those who are watching, I'll be happy if you can share, like, pass a comment, and subscribe if you have not yet done so. See you at the next lesson.